We've had a pretty good snowstorm here in northern Kentucky. And it's made me think, that was a groan from my dog off camera. It's made me think about some friends talking about, oh, I don't like politics. I'm not paying attention to the news. It stresses me too much. I don't know too many people it doesn't stress. So a large part of me says too bad. And another part of me says, I feel the same way about snowstorms. I'd rather they didn't happen. I would rather this wasn't happening. Ignoring this is like trying to ignore a snowstorm. And still, what do? You go out in your car and you pretend it's not snowing. You get stuck in a ditch and pretend it's not snowing. You get hit by a truck because it's out of control on the slippery streets. You just pretend that's not happening. That doesn't seem like good life choices to me. It's not practical. I suppose it's possible, but not for a very long time. It has a very short shelf life. You're going to find that ignoring a bad snowstorm is not going to turn out well for you or for people you encounter. And that, to me, seems comparable to what's happening now. That does not seem to me to be a viable long-term reaction. Maybe those people who are trying to ignore what is happening now or a snowstorm can survive for a while. Maybe they will be the very small portion who luck out and let other people take care of everything, and it will not harm them hugely. Although I think that for those with a conscience, there is a moral harm to trying to step out of this. But their chances of not being affected by it, harmed by it, are very small. I wouldn't want to take that risk. I don't know that I could, but I think even if I could, I wouldn't want to.